Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. In today's video, let me show you how you can completely disable background apps on your Windows computer, which can make your system faster and save battery. First, for individual apps, go to Settings, and from the Start menu, click on Apps, find the app you want to manage, click on it, and choose Advanced Options if available. Look for Let this app run in the background and set it to never. If you don't see this option, meaning the app isn't running in the background. After you set it to never, this will stop all background apps. To allow them again, just change the status with the same step. That's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.